Hi Seth, Southern Girl here, and this is a video response to your video about the economic meltdown. My personal opinion is I think you're pretty right on with your view of things, and this is how it has affected us and the things that we have done to try to make money. First of all, we live in Florida, and the neighborhood that we live in, it's pretty bad. I mean, on each street there's at least 3 to 4 houses that are facing foreclosure, already in foreclosure. Yeah, so that's a big problem here too, as it is with the rest of the country. It's affected us in pretty much a big way. We had signed with a mortgage company a couple of years back. We actually refinanced to clear our debt and to make some repairs on our home. And the deal was for 2 years, and then to re-sign after 2 years and get a fixed rate before our mortgage went adjustable. Well, we were actually with AmeriQuest, and AmeriQuest, I don't know if many of you know this, but has since been sued and gone out of business, violating the Truth in Lending Act with their clients. So therefore, we were stuck with an adjustable rate on our mortgage and a mortgage payment that we could not even begin to pay. So, yeah, that's how that went. This actually happened a while back before, the government actually declared a recession or anything like that going on. So anyway, we've been dealing with it for a while, and we're trying to save our home, but it's a good possibility that we may not be able to, but, cross your fingers. So anyway, yeah, my husband and I, a couple of years back, were both laid off within 2 weeks of each other, and he ended up opening his own business, which is very similar to what you do, and it went really well for a while. And then, when the economy goes bad, the first thing you have to do is cut costs, and one of those things to get cut is the handyman, along with, at the time I was cleaning houses, the housekeeper gets cut as well. So yeah, he ended up finding a job through a friend of his with a company that he thoroughly loves, so that's good. Not making a ton of money, but making enough. And I ended up finding a job with a restaurant that good company. I'm enjoying it, and the only problem with that is that I can't seem to get enough hours to make ends meet on my end. So what I decided to do was to go back to school for nursing. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now, going to school for nursing. And yeah, because everybody needs a nurse, and pretty much can write my own ticket with that one. No better time to do that than now, seeing as how there's no other jobs out there and I can't get any more hours. So that's what I'm doing with my extra time. But I think Steaming Pile of Poo was a pretty good explanation of how the economy is going. And it's really sucking right now for a lot of people. And yeah, people that have jobs, good jobs, need to thank their lucky stars and be glad that they have them and hang on to them, because it's an epidemic out there. What I don't understand is why these companies, like electric companies and all these other companies, are raising their prices. I mean, if people can't afford what they've got now, you think raising the prices is going to, how's that going to work out? It's not. It's going to get harder for people to pay their bills. So, that's a whole nother video. But I just wanted to respond, and great video, and I look forward to the rest. Take care.